Trypophobia fans, hold on to your seats because today we're going to talk about fire cupping.
Holy shit, it works!
It's an age-old technique and it's really interesting. Recently you've seen it in the Olympics because Michael Phelps and other Olympians had been using it. A few years ago, stars like Jennifer Aniston and others have been doing it as well. So the basic concept is that heat creates suction, and that suction draws blood to the muscles in the back and helps repair them after a heavy workout. So the real question is, do you think there's any merit to this technique? Is it just a local fad? The top athletes in the world are doing this, so do you think it really makes a difference? So go ahead and leave your comments below. And also, if you like interesting medical topics, particularly holes and spots, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Statistically speaking, we get a lot of views and not a lot of subscribers, and I think it's because we have some gross content. So go ahead and subscribe if you think our channel is right for you. We've posted a new video every week for over a year now. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.
I would like to tell you about Rest More, an all-natural sleep aid designed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. If you're looking for a great natural way to get better quality sleep, please visit buyrestmore.com. Thanks for watching. There's an Amazon link below.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night.